Hi everyone and welcome. This is Victoria from Dressmaking Amore team, and I hope you're ready to elevate your posing to the next level and get the prettiest photos of your dresses. In this course, we'll show you how to go from this to this and get confident in posing and taking beautiful photos of yourself that you will love how you look in. Nowadays, there's no way to present your work or your creation without a good photo. And you don't need to be a model to have beautiful photos and look good on camera. It's just knowing the right angles and the poses for you. So here we're going to cover how to pose your body in a beautiful, elegant, and confident way that will enhance your shape no matter what you're wearing. We'll cover what to do with your arms and legs to keep them from looking a little stiff and awkward, and how to take a variety of close-up, layout, and full body photos. And last but not least, we'll also see how to finish off our pretty photos with some quick edits. Let's get right to it.